Okay, so we are playing
the Smiles household, and it's about a family like some of them died, but we're not really understanding it.
Yeah, Leo and Nancy Smiles died,
and so we got the shovel and we found the code. It's 19.
It's what 0919.
Okay, go back to the boat.
Yeah. So we have to go back to the boat, back to the house, enter the code in the safe. Okay, it might be confusing, so let me explain. So, we join this, and we go up to the house, and we gotta open this little safe, but we don't know the code to it.
And we read some papers, and it said, they're gonna get a shovel in the garage, and they were, and Robert Smiles, the dad, was gonna try to make a ritual to dig up.
She looks suspicious.
I know. They seem normal, not like that, but oddly normal.
Anyways, so yeah, we dug them up, found the code. It's 0919. I could barely read it, but I could just see the end. It was 0919 or 0191. And so we're gonna go up and.
We should just get an elevator in their house, and it goes underground, like an opening at the bottom of the hill, so then you can just go up.
So we're gonna go to the safe and enter the code.
See what happens.
So I dug them up and everybody was surrounding me, and it was like, ooh,
I know, and it was hard to read at first.
So anyways, we got up. This girl,
there's a flamingo. Wait.
No, I don't. I saw that, but I don't want this girl to beat me. Oh my god. Maybe she's just inspecting.
Yeah, I think she just joined me.
Yep.
Kids slapper. And then there's this 0919.
No, it's like
0919.
There's a key. Got a key.
Now you have to go all the way back down to the safe on the side of the house. Sorry.
I didn't even notice it.
Wait, guys, and tags the other Smiles grave. So,
this island, but same server they're talking about. We have to remember to get to the main.
It's on that side.
To get to the main graveyard, actually. I was going to say marker.
But was it back there? No, look at all that side. Yeah, there it is.
Open. Oop. Abandoned. Abandoned. Okay. I don't get this game. Oh, they're doing a roleplay. Oh. Can I let myself in play? Oh, it didn't blink. I can't see anything on my computer.
That's a code thing you have to chat.
Huh? Did that happen to you?
Oh, yeah, I forgot about this part. It travels you to different worlds and stuff. Music. Nice music. Flashback. You do it now.
Bye!
Bye!
Sorry for this, well, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this Smiles household.
Part 2 coming up soon.
Yeah.
But later at night.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye!